Today I'm going to show you how to create multiple posts in Canva for Instagram or social media, and you don't even have to come up with the content yourself. First thing, on the Canva homepage, we're going to go to Doc and hit Start Writing. Then we are going to hit the plus button and go to Magic Write. This is Canva's built-in AI software, which is amazing. So I'm going to write 20 tips for saving money on groceries. And then hit enter and it's going to do its magic. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes, so give it a minute to do its thing. Okay, so here is the result that it gave me. So write 20 tips on how to save money on groceries, and then here are all the tips. These are actually solid tips as well, so these are great. So I'm going to highlight them all and copy, but not the title, just the tips themselves. So I'm going to copy them. Then I'm going to open up a blank Excel document and paste them. So this is how it's going to look. Then I'm just going to save this as a CSV file. So save as, grocery tips, and then CSV file. So we're going to go to save. Next thing we're going to do is open up a new tab into Canva and go to create design. And then we are going to go to Instagram post square. And I like to use the templates, and I just put grocery tip, and it gave me these different options here. I like this one a lot, so I'm going to go to this one, 5 benefits. Now I do want to change this a little bit, so I am going to do saving money on groceries, tip of the day. Then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that it all fits there, and separate it a little bit. Okay, now I want to change this a little bit, so I'm going to make this actually a little bit bigger here. Some of these tips are a little bit long, so I want to make sure we have enough room for them. Freedom in a budget. You want to make sure that these are all done and ready on the primary one, that this is going to be the template for everything that we're doing. I want to center that. I want to get rid of this big one, and then we're going to do this one here. And I want to make sure that this is centered. All right, so then what we're going to do is on the left here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see these 9 dots, and then it's going to say apps. We are going to go down a little bit to more from Canva and then go to bulk create. Then we can either enter manually. I'm going to upload CSV file. Then I'm going to scroll down until I see my file, grocery tips CSV. So I'm going to open that. Next thing I'm going to do is click on the text that I want to, where I want my text to go. And I'm going to right click and go to connect data. And then you're going to see it here, plan for the week. This is my first tip. So I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to hit continue. And you're going to see all of your tips here. So we're going to generate 19 pages. And it's going to open up a new tab for you. And here are your tips. Now you may have to format them a little bit or tweak them. You just want to scroll through to make sure they look good, but these look awesome. And you can change the sizing, you can change the bold or edit anything if you want, but they're good to go. So then we're going to go to share, download, PNG. We're going to download all pages. Then we're going to go to our downloads and it's going to create a zip file. So we're going to open that up, and here we can see all of the pages. So now these are ready to go. You can airdrop them to your phone or send them to your phone. And since you're already on desktop, you can even upload these right to Instagram. So log into your Instagram, go to post, then you can just drag your tip in there, hit next, and do all of your adjustments if you want. Or get ready, just type in your caption and post it right from here on Instagram. Check out my other Canva tutorials. I have tons of tips on how to get the most out of Canva and do some really cool things.